Hi, I received this grip strengthening kit as a gift from FitBeast so that I could show you all of the really cool things and what these things can do. And so what I'd like to do is show you what all comes in the box and kind of how they work. Okay, this is everything that comes in the box. You've got two like squishy stress balls, kind of fun, would be good for gifts. You've got two of these egg-shaped. This one is softer, this one is more firm. So if you don't have a super strong grip, you could start out with this one and then graduate to this one. It's kind of the same with these as well. This one would be the least resistance here. This one is the medium resistance, and then this one is the most resistance, and you can really tell when you are using these. And then these are actually pretty cool. These will do different strengths depending on which way you squeeze them. So this one has more resistance than this one. And you can see this says 20 pounds with an arrow. So if you squeeze it this way, it's 20 pounds. If you turn it to the 10 pounds, it's a little bit easier of a grip. So that's kind of cool. This is two pieces, but it's 4 different strengths that you can do with that. It does come in this comes with this nice bag to hold everything. And, you know, all is well and good until you're kind of looking at it and it's like, well, what do I do with all of this? And so that's where this manual comes in, and it shows you the different exercises that you can do with each of these. And it will even show you like what part of your hand and wrist and forearm you are actually using as you're doing these exercises. So this is really nice. I like having things around the house that I can squeeze. I'm actually going to take these two with me to work, and then keep the rest of these like around the house, and they just kind of look fun anyway, almost like a toy, but they're really just functional and they do a really good job. So thanks again to FitBeast for sending these to me. I highly recommend these if you want to work on your grip strength. Thanks.